too. Yeah. Here, let me pick up this boo and stuff because I don't want a bunch of trash.
I'm gonna get a picture too.
Okay.
Whoa.
Patrick, come sit down. You gonna sit down with your boo? No, not that blanket.
What are you doing, Goofy?
Sit down in your chair so I can take a picture.
Ooh, cool chair.
Yeah.
Did you get that for your birthday?
It's his birthday.
Come sit, Pat. Sit
Sit in your
down.
chair, son.
Sorry.
Sit in your chair.
That's the chair Grandma stood out in the field for an hour and a half in the cold to
Okay,
get,
Patrick, come here.
Come here, Batman.
and then got sick.
You will, you will.
Batman, quit.
Patrick, come here.
Come here, Destructor.
He's on the sugar rush. Still.
Here, give me this.
Ready?
Back.
Try out your throne.
All right, Patrick. Sit down.
Fucking
I
hold
got
me.
him.
All right.
Don't hold me. Alright,
Now can I see it?
did you bring this?
Can I get now?
Yeah, here in a second. Let me get it back for you. I'm going to take a picture of Patrick's tape.
I want to be in the cake too.
No, you can't be in the
A lot of
case.
packages.
Hi.
Now,
I see you. Hi, Patty Wag.
I will put you in the picture. Here, let me see.
Open that box and run out
Hey,
there.
I'm with the cake. Can I see now? Can I see, Mama?
See what?
The picture.
Yes. Just give me a moment. My goodness. Oh, move your hand. No. We don't get into our drawers. Patrick, come here. Stand with Danica right here. Stand over here for a picture.
How about with the balloon? I want to sit with the balloon.
All right. I'll just do some pictures here.
I want to do a
All
picture
right.
with
All right.
the balloon.
Let's turn the light on.
I want to do a picture with the balloon.
Patrick,
I want to do a picture.
don't pull on that, please, because you're going to bring down that light. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go.
But I want the balloon.
I
What a balloon.
can't have that right now. I'm trying to.
Can I have one balloon?
Right now.
What happens?
Hey.
He's throwing his things around.
Patrick. No.
Look,
Balloon. Hat, can I have one? I want one.
Uh-oh. Somebody popped a balloon. Uh-oh. All right, we're going to have to just, you know what? I'm going to tie these on the gate. What the hell? Is it the pop ceiling?
It must be, or the light.
Here, let me have that so we don't pop these.
What are you doing?
They put 2 balloons popped.
Probably from static electricity.
I'm going to tie them right
Hey,
here.
is it from the balloon?
Yeah, let Grandma have that, please. Thank you.
What is it from?
It's not good to. Oh,
Will you
here's
throw
one
that,
here.
give that to Grandma?
Open thing.
Please?
Bring it to Grandma.
Oh.
Here, bring it to Grandma. Thank you.
Thank you, Danica. There. That will be fine. Here, come here, Patrick. We're going to take a picture with the balloons. Come here. Ooh, let me see that, please. I know, I'm so disappointed. Come on, Patrick, over here, over here. Okay, stand right there.
Balloon.
Stand in front of balloons.
Balloon.
Well, we got a picture at least. Patrick, look at Mama. Patrick. Patrick.
No.
let's go
Try to picture
downstairs.
Patrick.
Can I set it sideways?
Set up so we can drink it.
I don't have room in the fridge.
It doesn't have room for it.
While I try and get Patrick a picture.